welcome back to my channel. It's been a long-awaited 2 months, but I hope you guys are here and ready to enjoy my YouTube videos again. Today I'm going to be filming a type of medium wear makeup video. Basically what I wear when I feel like dressing up or being bougie, but it's not like so cakey, it's like medium. I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm gonna take off my glasses and we're gonna zoom in. So we're gonna be a little up and personal right now, a little bit close, but you guys need to see what I'm doing. Now, lotion is like a protection shield to me, cause like when I wear lotion, especially the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, when I wear this, life has changed, okay? You know, it is a protection shield. My face gets protected no matter heavy, light, medium coverage. Your girl's being protected by a shield that will not give me acne or pimples. So I'm gonna start off by doing this, but you gotta wash your hands. Hands are washed, and now we're gonna go and put this on our face. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation. This bad boy. Mine is in the shade Pro Filter 150. Now, this is medium coverage. Do I find it amazing? Let me ask that again. Do I find this amazing? Yes. So I like to give myself one pump to start off with. We're gonna drizzle it and then dab it on my face. It works, okay? You see that? It completely matches my face perfectly, like completely. It looks a little light when it goes on, as you can see, but that's because I got tanned, and when you get tanned, you know, your shade changes just a little bit. But it's still good. Since we spilt some, we're kind of going to have to give ourselves an extra pump. We're going to do the exact same that we just did, but on this side. So now we're going to do the last thing, which is the forehead. Now we're on to concealers, okay? Most of you know I have really bad under eyes, and it doesn't look as bad because the foundation's covering part of it, but can we rewind that, please? Just listen to this. What the hell? What was that? I'm either going to be using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in the shade Fair. Yeah, Fair. But that's in the winter mostly I wear that one because your girl is pale as hell. Or I'm going to be using the Born This Way concealer, and it doesn't say the shade, but it's by Too Faced. Yeah? Now we're going to set my face so it don't go on people with the MAC, what is this? Mineralized Skin Finish Natural Powder. This is the bottom. This is all I have left. I'm sorry. Excuse. So we're just going to brush some onto my brush like this. Clean the brush off just a little bit because you don't want to look cake. Go like this. So I have the Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette. It comes with two shades of highlighter. So we're going to take my fan brush, mix them together just like so, kind of. And it's going to give you a natural glow. You don't want anything heavy. No, I don't mean to, but it kind of comes here, but that's because like the edge of the brush right here, see? So it doesn't matter though. I don't think anybody will care. And it doesn't matter if anybody cares. This is your look. Okay? So highlight. Oof. And then I like to do my nose. Now, I don't like to do too much with my brows, so I'm just going to be using the CoverGirl brow definer in the shade Honey Brown. We're going to brush them out. We're just going to a tad color them in just a little bit because I feel like there's some bald spots, only where the bald spots are though. I hate when eyebrows look so dark. So these are my eyebrows. Going to be putting on the Smashbox Reflection High Shine Lip Gloss. Oh, I'm gonna shop that one. This is the best mascara. I put one coat on this bad boy. One coat. Because we're here, so why not do the hair too? Okay. This is the look. So I decided not to put any eyeshadow on because I wanted to keep it a little bit more natural. But if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below, give this video a like. And if you haven't already, go follow my Instagram, my Snapchat right there. Okay, because your girl just posted. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!